Welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. Okay, today in this video we will be seeing about the formulas index and match. So where we will be using this index and match. So usually, individually the index and match function doesn't give you a very like like a VLOOKUP. It is not used in much places like individually index or the match function, but there's a way we can combine the both functions together to use a lookup function. So we already know about VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, if you have been using the VLOOKUP, you have noticed we have a drawback in VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUP can search for your lookup value from left to right, meaning the first column to the end columns from in your array. It cannot search in your previous column, like your value is in column number 2. It cannot search in column number 1. It will search from 2 till n number of columns. So the only option for you is to bring this column here in front, then to search it. So to avoid, because if it's a very big data, or the data sheet is from in some important log which you cannot alter, then you cannot use VLOOKUP in those kind of cases. The only option, you have to take out a copy, then maybe in the copy you can do your changes to the data, then you can use that. To avoid all these kind of things, still we can search backward by combining these two functions. So here we will see how to use index function, how to use the match function, then how are we going to combine the both to get a lookup function. So here you can see I have data prepared. So this is this is the same data which I use for VLOOKUP, so that it will be very similar, so you can understand the difference between using the VLOOKUP and using this lookup function. In the description I will also mention the link to my VLOOKUP video, so you can also view that. So both together will give you you can do a lot of functions with these two videos. So here as I mentioned, so example, I want to, if my lookup value is going to be related to this serial number from any of these datas, I can just use the VLOOKUP function to search. But if my data is going to be on reverse, say I have the host name, then I need to search its relevant serial number or its username, then I cannot use VLOOKUP function, because VLOOKUP function works this way, from left to right. So from your first column you have picked for the VLOOKUP value to the end. It doesn't go backwards. So here now we will see how we are going to use that. Okay, first we will see the index function. So it's index have two formula reference. So we will use the first one. Now we are not going for the second one, we will just use the first one. So array is always refers to your table. So I choose my data table here, row number and column number. So row number I give it as 1, and column number also I give it as 1 for this example. So now if I enter, I should be getting the first column and first row data. If this, I am going to change it as 2, so row 1 and column number 2, then it will give me row 1 and column number 2. And if it's going to be row number 2 and column number 2, then will give me user 2 cross 2. So it's like is the array value, so 2 cross 2, 5 cross 2, 6 cross 2, so like this. This is for index. This is how we use the index. Okay, next we will be seeing match function. So for the match function, the formula will be match, then starts with lookup value. So here I will use this for our example, lookup value h2, then lookup array. Here I have to choose the choose the column from where I have to search this. So will be here, then exact match. So this one is under number 2, second row, because I selected the data from second TWA01, so it should be the second row. So it gives me the number. So the index will give you, for the index we are providing the row and column number, so it provides us the value, the cell value. For match we are providing a lookup value, it provides us the number, it provides us back the number, the match number. So this is the difference between the index and match. So index we provide the row and column number and it provides back as the value. The match is just vice versa of that, it provides us the number. So how we can combine this both? For instance, I just take these values, just first 10 host names, so we just take it here. So my task here is to find out the serial numbers matching to this data. VLOOKUP we cannot use here unless we copy this over before as a first column, then we can search, but here we are not going to do that. Instead we use index array will be, so here we can choose till this, because I have chosen till data number 10, so I can select it till there. The row number, so I don't know which row it belongs to, because the row number refers to the row where TWA01 lies. So here is actually 2, but here actually is 1, but in a data where we have like thousands of rows, we cannot go find out where the data lies. So here, instead of giving the row number, we are going to insert the match function, because match function is going to give you the number. So lookup value will be this, and lookup array here will be the column where you're going to search, then exact match, then column number. So here is going to be the first column number points to your index formula. Already we have completed the match formula here, so column number goes back to the index formula. For index formula, the array is the dark blue, the blue color is the index formula array. So here we are going to look up to serial number, so it refers to first column. So you get the thing, just drag down, you will get all the serial numbers. So by using the VLOOKUP you can search from 1 to n number, and using this index and match function you can get the values in the reverse columns, the back columns. So all the way from the left to right and right to left, you can search any data anywhere in your rows. So both the functions together, like VLOOKUP and this, will save a lot of time in searching. So as I have mentioned earlier in videos, like macros, you can still include all this also in your macros and save them as steps, macro steps, then just record it using the macro steps, then just click a button, then everything will be done in one step. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Techify with Adil for more such videos. Share with your friends for them to get benefited as well. Thank you.